It is time to do some therapy where your advice is needed for someone's problem. That problem you've been meaning to address. Well, it's time to come face to face with it. Get it to us so we can talk about it and get some advice for you. Tony Scott Show page at kmjm.com. Click that Therapy with Tony button. It'll put you on the forum page. I need your name. I need your email address. I need your problem. And then I need you to click submit. Dear Tony, I'm in a relationship with a guy that I have known all my life. When we reconnected, I was married, but I put my husband out. See, my husband and I had problems. We had too many people in our marriage, and we argued a lot in our relationship. We used to argue and fight, and we fought once during our marriage. Well, I got tired of arguing, asked him to leave, and filed for divorce. Fast forward, I live with my current guy, and we're having problems. He drinks, and I don't. He likes to go out and sometimes stays out to the morning. He hides his phone and acts strange. Well, me and my ex started talking last week, and I realized that I'm still in love with him. I'm 33 and I have a connection with him out of this world. Also, my current guy's married but has been separated for 7 years. I printed the divorce papers, but he has not done anything yet, and we're supposed to be engaged. So what do? Follow my heart or stay in a dead-end relationship? Man, you know how to pick them. You know, these two guys are not even worth your time, really. I mean, the first guy you argue with, y'all put hands on each other one time. The second guy, y'all ain't even on the same page. He likes to hang out and drink, and he likes to keep things from you, and you don't like that. He's still married, 7 years separated. He ain't got no plans to get married. He's not going to divorce his wife for you. No, it's not going to happen. My advice to you would be just to leave them both alone and work on yourself. Work on you. Make yourself the best person you can be. I'm not insulting you. We all can be better people. We all can use work. I can use work on myself. Make yourself better. These two guys, you don't need these two guys. Woman, try and be single for a while. How about going down that road? That's my advice. What do you think? 556-6104.